stay in this lane because I'm taking him down that big old hill because it was fun the other day. I recorded that in long form, but my phone ran out of storage again, so I had to revisit some old things that I don't need and make some space. Still saving up for my new phone since I don't do the whole debt thing. I just set aside the necessary funds over time, and when it's meant to be, it's meant to be. A little bit of strategy. Heidi ho, let's go. Well, that 42 miles an hour was not me. But gravity's gonna do what gravity's gonna do, huh? Whee! Oh, look, a buddy. I waved at you. You don't care. Howdy, Sheriff. Well, later this month, Shawn and I had plans to hopefully go up to the woods with some friends. Ooh, bouncy. Nobody's shown up. I'm cool with that. It is what it is. But I also understand that they have their own circles, their own thing going on, and I'm not a part of it, and that's fine. Besides, I got a lot of videos to catch up on. Well, this is going to be a pretty interesting time lapse. So far, all those lights were green. Just keep moving. We're being blinded by the sunshine. And the sun blinded my eye holes. I can see just fine. Oh. Will we make it? Way back, I love it. That was awesome. Let's see if the light will change for us. Yay! Oh, it must be middle school graduation. Okay. Hey. Gotta go nice and slow. Well, congratulations. 8th graders now to be high schoolers. Good luck.